Okay, here we are walking through the rainforest in Ghana. Okay, here I am on the canopy walk, high above ground, rocking back and forth. Okay, here I am in West Africa and the rainforest in Ghana.
This you see here, it's not an Antwerp, the black thing, going up, up, up. It's the way this tree is protecting itself from ants and snakes. Snake can start climbing this tree from here, or ants. But when they get there, smelling that black thing will let it fall and sometimes die. It's poison to them. So grey parrots don't use any tree, only this one as its home.